If you keep getting the error, Windows reported that one of your devices has changed, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into the solution. In the Windows search bar, type Activation. Open Activation Settings. Click Troubleshoot next to the activation message. Wait while Windows detects issues with activation. Once completed, select I changed hardware on this device recently. Now sign in with your Microsoft account, select your device, and click Activate. Return to the activation window and refresh or reopen it. You will see that Windows is activated. And that's how you can easily fix this Windows activation error.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.